Are you a programmer and familiar with a lot of languages like C, C++, Java, C Sharp? But this video is about why Python is so popular and why you should learn it in 2020 or the upcoming 2021. Before sharing with you several qualities of Python and why it has gained so much popularity, let me share with you an interesting fact. In 2019, Python was Googled more than Kim Kardashian. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but that is true. So that means that there are millions of Python fans around the world. Do you know why Python is so loved all around the world? Now, there are several reasons behind the popularity of Python programming language. But the major reason is the simplicity of the language. Python is so simple compared to other programming languages. Every programming language is great, but for a beginner, it is pretty easy to learn Python than any other programming language. The syntactical difficulty level of Python is much lower. You don't have to worry about each little tiny detail. Python is literally how you are typing something in English. It doesn't need a curly brace, a semicolon, and all these things. Another reason is that Python is a powerful language. Now I know that many people will tell you that, oh man, Python is so slow. But I will not go into details. I just want to tell you that it has many applications such as web development, machine learning, and a lot more. And especially TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, these libraries are very much powerful. And yeah, that's why it is widely used for machine learning and artificial intelligence purposes. And here's another thing. Google adopted Python language way back in 2006 and have used it for many applications and platforms since then. Lots of institutional effort and money have been devoted to the training and success of Python language by Google. Python has excellent libraries that you can use to select and save your time, and big supportive community. According to the recent survey, Python developers make more money compared to those people who use other programming languages. Now the question is how to become a Pythonista. If you are a complete beginner to programming, then Python is best choice for you to learn to code. You can become a Pythonista by learning the fundamentals of Python. And when you are done with the fundamentals, then you should do some projects. Yeah, I know it is not a one-day job, but you should have to be consistent and determined. And one day, it will be on your fingertips. Now, how much an average Python programmer makes? According to the recent year surveys, a Python programmer makes $1 lakh in a year. Yeah, I know that's a lot of money, but of course, it demands professionalism. Now I hope that you understand why you should consider learning Python. If you want to learn Python, I have uploaded a whole course for beginners. I will give the link in description. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.